Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create a poll on WhatsApp. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. Just go to the Play Store or Apple App Store and update your WhatsApp application. And after this you need to open up your WhatsApp application, and I will open up the group here. So I will open up this group here. Okay, and let's suppose that you are the admin of the group here, and if you want to take some kind of votes on something, so you can basically make a poll. So I will just tap on this attachment option here, and here you can see we have this poll option. Tap on it, and now basically first of all you will ask a question. So I will just type who will win the cricket match. Okay, and then I will add two options here. So first one is Pakistan, and then second one is India. Then we got to Australia here, and then England here. Okay, so you can add multiple options if you want, and allow multiple answers. So if you want to check viewers to give multiple answers, you can turn this on, but I don't want this, and just tap on this here, and now this poll has been created here. Now someone will answer it, they will basically tap it, and in this way you will get to know that which option will get the most votes. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.